mo aha wasi asante kotoko usi ye asante kotoko ye enso ni ahye asante kotoko ye choboy only daddy only konson only papa and Olympus so atiase only daddy only son only pata ana akra ayi obuasi goes fields obuasi so me refi omo so de me na me pepo pa obuasi go field me refi entia na frɛ wo bi akra has of okudie na ye meja was never say die until the bones are rotting and mentin and any photo akra has of course never say die mentina sinemu until the bones are rotting. What was so say ye ko den ana no pe wa ka me ho a me ma wa chi ma wa djuma wa ha ma wa kwaba ana ye bedi nkomo bebre na ni gisam kase na asese mo ho careful mo ho ana me demonioma abramo ene na momo no ani gisam kase na aba eti ani gisam na aba no enura ma mo me WhatsApp ne de emi se mo nyina mo ho ani gisam kase na aba no make sure wo bibiara na mama kwa babiom enti mesraw anopefre wo nua bi na ka kire wo nua bi se abona skin pain matena se die na no ano no oli daddy oli konson oli pata ye ne yekoyo ye ne edamu ye ko ye tumirika ana no pay adwuma ne de lawyer kan na magi aye ene no me sinka camera mo ma me nyina ho na me nkasa en kan lawyer na won timi nyina ho obebre hey lawyer enti na our body e was so gina ho me do emergency awa metimi gina ho fitia no pattern e be pem 3 o'clock e be 3:30 so at ase e ye woli dade e ye woli konson anana me pesa metenase ya chen ache abena skin pain out trade TV so na we and your first timer aha immigration headquarters immigration platform bi a baby no ene aha no obi ade na kire aha na wo ba ade no aba obi eka bi enso aha na wo benya mu nkire mu undiluted immigration and legal affairs aha ne ha aha ya wi mra di mra from na kanche mra apusu mra dware mra enti wo ye forehead a ye ne mra ne nam wo sha ye ntade hyema eye mra ntade yesra mra te se yesra nku no na ya fomra te se paracetamol pills no aha ena mra ho wo pesa wo ba abrochire eya heya wan kasa woni lawyer na wo pesa wa wo ye onioma eya heya na abekwa knowledge no ewa heya aha sei ena wo bia watena brochire ache wo bia woni ani daso wa brochire aha de wo ba enkrata na ye de che wa Ghana na pesa wo ba brochire ya heya wa hima bedi ni birthday yi ahaya no hima de de sane nyina besie se abena aha na chevisa ne mankofo efama me eya heya enti wo pe immigration and legal advice bi aha na eya heya ewiase nyina duru fiada ahaya no modo mani ehwe na efiada nso de o se meduru ha na haye butu enti ni pa chewa no pefre wo nua bi na ka kire wo nua bi se abena skipe matena se me pa to wo ka me ho a na wa mama who country kura wo so no a flag me chia wo bibiara wo de wo pese me mo wudi ama me ho flag no bi kwa na me mo body me mra ne ko bi kwa na me hia time I need time obi kasa time Ghana time ye ka time say emre I need emre lawyer wo free he e wo Ghana ekuapem mo ka time wo say emre mo ye nyina ye Canada kro ho emre I need emre ana me dia ye adwuma etime pa cho me ko me dwuma die ne so no ma chiachia obi biara waka me ho no pay ya fra wonua bi me wie program ya ma wie me nye lawyer ana no pay ye ne mo ba bedi enkomo eye YouTube fo me chia wo nyina enkomo ye ne mo bedi ye ne gisam kase a ebawura eye United Kingdom ohima akuromi ha ye dia ye wo ano mo dia wura ho no mo dia betwam no mo the bad news no mo dia ba but I may say you see this year you mu die o ma ya de prime minister ne mpanyin fo no o ma ya de pa because you see this year imuno as a good news no eto eba enti no me pamo chew me ne lawyer e na tie ase ye bedi nkomo ne atwetwe nkomo ba before no men acknowledge obi biara Asha wo Germany Asha Isa e wo Germany share video ni ko Germany share video ni ma obi biara e bia wo nia beti United Kingdom e kuromi ha say ansa na abenya e kuromi hankrata no wa bremu papa minim other country no especially ansa na wo ba e benya sa buku ya e kura ni bi no na we nipa kuro wa bre na wa brankasa ye kuromi ha mara trese Saluba betina ekromi ha. Saluba betina ekromi ha seya. Na we nin krata. Aye wo maame e na kofa wo ba, aye wo papa na kofa wo ba ya. Ekromi ha mra. Miss Pretty Patel mo aba bedi suyi e de ko. Aye ye nyina wanya ne baby ko me her beautiful rest. So rest in perfect peace. Aye former Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher. Nyina ebe to be e was so. But I mean what did to me send pa. Me send na no ofese me. Yeah, me ho fe pa, me ho ofese me send no. Na ni dey Margaret Thatcher. Wo nyina be kan bi. Yes say what na kuro had 20 years. And sana ya ma won krata. 20 years no aye ya minister ya 20. Now 20 years in Polo. What's now 20 years now? Your man will indefinite leave to remain on. Debbie. Your man will be busy. And yet talk. One more son of Okoban, of course, mommy 1 thought. Mommy 2 thought. Mommy 3 thought. What's now Polo? I went up 20 years ago. Your best son will another 10 years. And you 2. Wabi alushye bia no ye wo abonus penalty TV so nie ye wo YouTube and ye wo Twitter tweet ye tweet what you say ye tweet ye tweet e wo Twitter enti me pa chow ye wo Twitter for me check am what you say you are welcome on board mo ho fe ye Twitter yeah mo ho fe na mom aha de ye share like and your comment will flow. No. What we allow 2.5 years. I get them out. And son, what about being 10 years? After 10 years, no, any amount indefinite left to remain. Not just when you're 30 years. Now when you're bad, and now when you're bad, now when you're uku, now when you're Nasa wo bani nya me ye na dum na akura no ekura wo hima akura mu buku kokko yase mo mo kura indefinite mo me kura indefinite mo nka ho me jama lawyer be kire me mu nyina na woni mo pia ne ba ekura British passport ye wo hima buku kokko yi bi se kura ne buku tuntum woni mo pia ne ba ekura British passport ye ni musasa wo kurumi ha na wo pano ekura any book so okura continent you for passport o ma me no woni bia betimi agina so agibi wo papa no woni bia betimi agina so agibi sa wo pano ekura indefinite leave to remain you can kwa indefinite because we a continent we yi na wo kura indefinite ya untimi ni so ye kurumi ha oya me wa I want to indefinite no yenya yete ha ye wo kuro ha ye flag ni yana obekura indefinite obetimi age indefinite no ebi no bekura 2.5 years so we ma mo ye papa wo so betimi ekura 2.5 years no ebi any kind of passport obekura bia no betimi ekura bi na ni nyina mo no kura bia yese ko enfie du Yema wo 10 years solid. 10 years no. Yemfa ni nyina anka mo emfa ma wo. Wo mma wo 2 years na so mo pese mo boye kromo nti. Akronfo katetira moa enye gina na nko. Ena ye amoso na mo se kolop. E wo ba bia aha wo mo de no krono no. Wo mo de akose wo no office ho. Enti 2.5 years no. Ube 10 years maybe no. Now what you move 10,000 pounds as a 5,000 pounds. Lawyer, because every 2 years be one more couple of 3,000 pounds a day.
Yes.
And to 10 years never sooner. Now you swag or cover 10,000 pounds. And the other one, and your corona. And one more boy. And no, and our company said no more. So when you be the slave, you know. So when you be the catcher, when you be sad. And I'm going to speak to you like that. When you will be an Ebakura British passport, or be at Neba, Ekura British passport. Ebi asani panekura wo pesika. Ah, wo de be kwa application, unyanya application too. Because we tua lawyer fee. Ubetua home office fee. NHS charge. And sana wo tua wo lawyer fee. Obi ka se Zambrano. Obi chira Zambrano tosomame. Everybody write Zambrano. Zambrano means spell mamo. Zambrano obi antro to ho. What did we are Bama to Zambrano side? We are Bama and Emma no application. I want to know Zambrano side. We are about Zambrano, madam. And to Zambrano side. And it's your parliament yachi. Sir, I wish to say Obia won crata and don't conform penal. Because so many other can be obedient to a more crata and now a more threatening woman. Now we're more threatening woman. It's over soprano blonde that as a video that was mentioned. But I will share Emma will be Ancho Zambrano. Obi Ancho Zambrano. I shall have say Zambrano. And Rabina says Zambrano. Eh, Patricia said, Patricia, you did. And then you did the good news. And I'm not a member of Chima.
Yeah.
The battle now, yeah.
Yeah,
feel bad. This year, you won't me boy. The last time I did home, last Friday of December.
Yes.
Me boy. 31st. And I'm home. 31st of Prime home. Me home November. Hey, and you watch it in my see. By the way, why if
that's it.
Hey, good morning, fellow Ghanaians. Look at you, I'm a phone. I am called.
I'm a power ye chia ubia our joining our program so.
It was so.
Say why joining me for the first time a friend lawyer Daniel Koi Alifi for solicitors. Say muni chi kwan dada intin eno de me de bema abnas campaign.
Oh lawyer. What do you mean what chi kwan na tun chire what chi kwan?
Oh, photo solicitors here were North London opposite wo here. Yeah, the number no actual platform so offer anytime yeah Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 on Saturday kind Thursdays so your Milton Keynes yeah legal surgery or on free consultation waiting me Milton Keynes offer a number na you book appointment at the amount na and net say dia abna eka and em say in some media a dose will be brave na Zambrano no is the biggest issue why we tie program here and I say we hu we ha say that no 6 months ago meaning say yeah the Zambrano issue be able to dra that time you know there was a case a friend Akisanya a court high court na sa case e hunsem na yenim say home office for a year appeal a court of appeal. Chair Adam on the 7th of December 2021 and our court in the Kutina.
Let me talk me about as memoir so. I think for the promotion is not enough. Men person lawyer Becca say we and I mean you be we dwumadi. Na wo bi be ba be frame sister Mate says Zambrano. Me patcho me nye lawyer. Lawyer nie eno nti na me sra mo say. Good news ba onua bi ani gia na won so ani age lawyer me patcho me mo when you be any jam, now was when you are j. Yen I yen say a crummy ha. And yet easy or big crown for our back pet. And so said the lawyer or depending our asylum seekers. Or depending or so them a power for dear Diana baby. Also, I must say grass and quadre. I'm broaching your warm or more sofa. Your warm lawyer baby, I won't be that cry ending. Or do a one at a dear cranny babbage, a besher crano. Or quote a youth or quote storage ever contained a day hour. Or do a one or cranny and son. Nebanaba could British passports. And so lawyer only stick out the bay application. I want to know my menu any be one in ma or moko Jiane ever charity. e no ma ba be di e bia wo ye senyo ma da papa adwane agya no obi o nso a no ya woni ni kunu ni manyina na tie enso mo mienu nyina ni nkrata but omo ba ko anya 7 years ama akra na British anya 10 years ama akra na British passport enso sika wo mo de be ya application kra they don't have it ahokyere ewom eno nti good news bi ba say ya fama mo nia bi 10 years no yes won ko 10 years ni bi instead of 10 years or 5 years obi wo ho kra na or qualify straight indefinite leave to remain obi wo an application ya man no benefit no recourse to public fund and no na urade asane na ni monya mu aba etidi enti na wote ho won share video no me wi amawio I am not a lawyer enti me wi na wo befra me a eye no fanko an me ka kire me te ha na ma odin me wi a ade a mesua nyina no eye chiw amfo ekọ enti me sra wo lawyer atena ha ne de bra ne betie wonua bia ni ji amane woni ni pa ni mo na ya bre ene mpaibo emergency hour ya bobo mpaibo ewrade zambrano obi fra emergency hour so se me zambrano dem ene ewrade asane woni mo nyam the good news aba miss pretty patel court sa kowachi patel kowachi home office mon kowachi judge sa patel kowachi ma mo makura British passport money mongwa good news about share video na what ho share video na won share ye be din komo mo so so a mo makura British passport enkura ni papa no so ati ase enkura ni papa no ago suko no ene mo won se mo wa asanwa be ka be bua wo bi share video na we jina so what good news say ya ba me wi a wo be frame me sister yes zambrano me lawyer ni lawyer yanko
yo be that say abena say dia mitre mo no very important say your best started from baby a case in
baby a case ni for you now because 6 months ago
yes 6 months ago
yeah
and you were obadi friend akisanya alatani Nigeria ni or Zambrano application ni bi no or derivative residence card ni bi na se wo kaya few years ago time no more derivative residence card na started by and Zambrano applications na buy no na nkrofo Jane says wo ko GM no a obetini enya benefits because no recourse to public funds ye ensure ye so good nti nkrofo bebre na omo 2.5 years and omo nso me qualify for 2.5 years but almost switch to derivative residence card and no ena obai a ye ka no ho asemi or no so decided say obefi sa 5-year derivative obefi derivative residence no so no for 2.5 years
derivative residence what do you use Zambrano in my
okay Matthias here
yes ana
for here no problem
okay
now we do Zambrano ni bi but okoji benefit I farmer
good
until because okoji benefit I farmer ni no omo advice say says sadia onkoji 2.5 years ni bi
2.5 years
instead of Zambrano no
good
until no osesa from Zambrano no okoji 2.5 years
correct
okoji 2.5 years ni we no oye application no mu yi no recourse to public funds and efi the card no so say the obetini agi benefit or start say oji benefit oji benefit na say okay maybe no you start say pre-settled status application na videos be by out say so who British child crown pa obetini aye no na we nya indefinite
yes correct
nti no eno so buy na no so tie no say na me crown na first na no Zambrano na me beji 2.5 years
good.
So mo dey pre-settled status na badia then better say no so be kwa koye bi no ma me indefinite na akisanya woman ekoye application for pre-settled status and I say for indefinite at the time that was 2000 the year 2000 or your application you know we refuse and say oh no she does not qualify or we refuse and say she does not qualify no when now when jemu even though we catch her and say obetini akojini 2.5 years na atwaso akọ 2.5 akọ 10 years no but when jemu no the assembly ekoko
no ye has ni Johnny has never say
how and they call judicial review the VFL judicial review into they call high court or they call high court no and last year omudi assembly ewie omudi assembly ewie no what did they say omuka say yeah ma efficacy for 28 days.
28 days.
Now omo and revise na omo man ho kwan say obeji we no Zambrano no because o qualify o share the ruling and I say o share the way Zambrano no mu church mu na obi a okra 2.5 years na it does not disqualify you from getting Zambrano application, which is either 5 years and now indefinite depending on your circumstances. Into the sa oba we you know that was the ruling at that time. At that time, we came out because now make a crazy now if EU nimu not just a pre-settled status application. We are emfa, especially omo and crat adadano. So we came out and then we advised a video. Crofo ATM, Crofo friend, Crofo CO, and then the cray. Oh yeah, you be refuse you. You be due 2.5 years. And Crofo can send the brain, but we insisted and we told people saying, look. This is the ruling at ABBA. So now tie me na so be person obey application na ebeboa because as me ruling at ABBA you be able to this time. So we need encrat harder that our British child. You cannot come and make an application at this time because so that 30th of June a trim amount. However, 2.5 years that the national person switch it may be possible. But when tie me before I be making application but what they say or the lawyer akasa because obia circumstance very different. On the 7th of December, Omoko hearing, this was after efficacy for a year appeal against last year ruling. And they say, Omontia say Yama Akisanya who quine say, Ombra na Ombeji Zambrano to Omoko Court of Appeal. Into court in Asia on the 7th, no more day on judgment, Eba on the 25th, a Tuesday, area and on the judgment in Eba. Who will judgment now? Obi we say who say they now can ball and then no. Obi we say an judgment. What does it mean? Obi we say football draw. Draw 1-1. However, Akisanya win with away rule.
Oh, because Akisanya.
You know, so what did they say? Oma dismiss efficacy for appeal. It has been dismissed. If you can see before have been told, say, Omunko rewrite sa EUSS rules no. Powerful. Emma, Omu 2.5 years and any application for Zambrano. Go and rewrite it. We at the moment, as we speak now, train. If you can see before I confirm how long it's going to take them for them to rewrite the rules, Okay, it's Akisanya for lawyers have written to efficacy for. So almost for timelines
Good.
Now how long it may take you and sana rewriting the rules, because the way I interpret the rules they say 2.5 years and also qualify for 2.5 years, they cannot qualify for Zambrano, a misinterpretation. This was the ruling of the Court of Appeal.
Lawyer me patcho me mo atoaso. Aha kire me mu ye kakra na menti ase because yen nya ate ase. Lawyer o pa kire say 30th of June last year no aye ba be free mu no.
Yes.
And na court no e de ba ye say Akisana ni case no wo ya wene. Enu nti no home office fo nkohwemu ye because Akisana e qualify so be Zambrano no. Ama ya ma ni indefinite leave to remain no. Because we ye 2.5 thought.
Yes.
And na a year 7th of December, home office for so tro de call ye say. A year court no enhye no money nsem ntumu.
No correct.
Because qualify. Akisanya tena se na won qualify. Emra e wo kuromi hanen ne say. Wo kura a year British charter. Wo be ko 2.5. And son when you indefinite. So we ye Zambrano so a Zambrano application no. EU law, mitie de wo kana. Wo mu yifi EU mu, EU for kra emra. Enu nti obi a wo hwe British eba. Ana wo hwe British adult to be oyare. Ana British eba. Yemfa British eba. Enso so no qualify for Zambrano ni ebi. Na emamu no Zambrano no na ema wo benefit.
Debi.
Only benefit.
Debi.
Na emamu no benefit na wonye ne kra ne san lead wa before ne lead wa wonye indefinite e no mo de buy say obeji indefinite
yes
etina man kofu odwane e de ba 2.5 years no eso semeti ase a abna we clever eno e na lawyer eye akesana ene the lawyers say there be or qualify for eye zambrano indefinite
yes
mama ni indefinite na mo sama ne benefit enka ho eno na court e ka say okay home office for say akesana de aba amaji atum na emomu no say munsu mu fu say enye mra say wo say ye de indefinite ne ma akesana say wo kura British child wo say ye de man de a ene munsu so no munko twero munsu mo de mfamra mo reason why ya ema ye ma akesana ana obia ne ba eye British a wo ye zambrano application no adekuro ntimo reason ni sentia ema ye manipa no indefinite and now obi ekura 2.5 years ya ontimi enswish emeji eye zambrano application na lawyer kani nyina no lawyer uja hawom eye 5 years
5 years
instead of 10-year route no obeba 5 years pe 5 years no na waji indefinite leave to remain 5 years ni nyina no so eye free
correct
wo lawyer nko na betua ne ka wo ntua NHS charge semite de lawyer keka ye na you are not paying nothing. I mean absolutely nothing, but you will pay lawyer ka. But 2.5 years ne de obetua home office 1000 BB what chia NHS
1560
hey, 1002.
Debbie 1500.
And it's all bro 3000 ne kra make no. And to be chia home office fee. What chia NHS charge 1150. Aka ho aye say. Ansa na e bia wo lawyer so sika 3000 o de mame mean for the column 3000 and now column 35. And no na akesana say me nya say sika no lawyer tie me judge. Me nya say sika no every 2.5 or me akromfo me nya say sika no enti judge tugu bogu na me nkwache zambrano eye free. You will not pay nothing. 1p you will not pay it. It is a salam seka omo mudi aduro no you don't pay nothing. You don't pay. And no and na home office for say share. Ye home office aha na enye sika free 2.5 aha na enye sika free. Enu ntie ase e ma wo ma emeje zambrano free emfa nko. Enu ntie se sa na tie dia we will contend with application no or request na wo dia court no. Lawyer come na besisu say 7 December na eye home office e contend ma mini case no and a judge ne ka say from now no until say court no e beji home office contend letter no e dia tomu no letter na wo de e challenge ma me na tomu no obi a betimi akoya application e dia tomu obi a na momu no se wo mu de tomu a court ema maami ni wini a obema mu few weeks and a lawyer aka besi say eye just 25th samiti ase a 25th January eye 2022 Tuesday ye nrechi Tuesday and then Friday yi and a judge na ya bompa ye Ghana fo nti judge ne say Ghana de me domododo Ghana fo nyina ho donti any 4 solicitors who don't take home office
ye bomu egu
home office machi munko Miss Pretty Patel wo nine na afiti ya organ ne so let judge I lawyer ahana makama na bisimeba ho lawyer say ama yati ase me de nyame na me ko lawyer na e kan lawyer aka be si ha wo si home office 25th ya no home office aye judge no I catch the home office say ma dismiss mu case no
yes
me ntum
yes
monko twero mu mra ni ye Miss Pretty Patada no peso udi nkofo sa na judge ni ye o say na peso udi nkofo ni sa adan na peso nkofo tua sa sika we sa mesra o me ntum It is a Miss Pretty Pate. We don't penny for what I say. Na mon kwatro no one by one. Na mon nhwe biom na mon ntum. Na mon fa case ne Zambra. Lawyer sa na woka.
There be.
So we so
fa case ne back court biom.
Enti ye
we court hono. Home Office worker say they are not going to challenge the ruling. They are not challenging after Court of Appeal. No. Home Office for do not have any plans to say or whatever call Supreme Court. At the moment, their man say Home Office for need to rewrite the guidance. Home Office for need to rewrite the Appendix EU a fact derivative residence card. Yeah, say Umrana omube church no enye unlawful. If it is unlawful, okay. Into the assembly ye catch a man for application edemu dada no nkofu bebre application edemu. For the past 3-4 weeks, your nkofu bebre wo honoma ye application ema omwa start enya omo letters of certificate of application so ombetimi akoye ejuma. We have started getting those letters just before Christmas. Wow. Say who tie me now you are in a position say obey your application and speak to your lawyer because say they na be church mono enye obia na obetie a obe qualify for Zambrano application. And the reason why America say enye obia na be qualify for Zambrano application ma mean church mu kakra because I na nkofo bebre enya sa mistake no. Let me give a typical example. Say oba any obema ewo ho na omu oba a oye British child
muntie ha ne ye oba
any bema ewo British child but oba ni eni indefinite oba ni eni British passport obema ni nso eni indefinite obema ni nso eni indefinite British passport. It is possible we know say eba ni say na mba bienu a omu ni enkrata no omutimi wo British child e bia na plan it na have for 10 years.
Okay,
in that situation possible say oba ne bema ni nia betimi a qualify for Zambrano.
Sir?
Yes. In that situation, possible. Oba ni betimi a qualify. Oba ni betimi a qualify. Adentina on betimi a qualify. They will be able to qualify because see a case oba ni bema ni enfi krom ha. There will be no one to look after that British child. Say akola ni so efi ha. And that is the basis of Zambrano applications. In those situations, oba ni bema ni betimi a. But in situation whereby oba who say oba no any enkrata, but bema no ekra British passport. Omuti ebomu no. Oba no will not qualify for Zambrano. Oh, how? See, that's the situation. Tie.
Any
say uye bema enkrata ukra British passport. Oba no enkra enkrata, but only obema ne eti any akola ni nya na eti fie ba kumu.
Oh, the over 10 years.
Yes, so 10 years won't qualify for Zambrano because you can't say who oba if you chrome has say bema ni beti nya hwe akola no. Intino very very important say Zambrano no nkofo beti asiye. So what me say? So we so una we share akola no to the extent say you feel chrome has here there is nobody to look after the child. That is when Zambrano kicks in. Without understanding it, previously most nkofo bebre ye Zambrano ye refuse yomo because oman see asiye and they were not able to explain themselves. Representations are omo ye and oman ti anye ni ye. Zambrano no look. For some of us, we've been doing Zambrano since 2012. Yeah, Zambrano nyoma kokot back then and sana yiba baby akisanya stage ya intino for somebody to even do Zambrano for you and to say 2.5 years no. Zambrano application and to say oh me name baneti yes men to that one gain say oh say me quite 2.5 years all I have to show they say me name baneti me bani co school na no ane the amount Zambrano ntisa Zambrano no you need to show say prove say ebusuani bia ni ha say as ye yini fi krom ha say obehwe akwala no eninti ne de Zambrano no e ma case na Belgium inti no so ebedu krom ha say inti no the understanding and also the interpretation and the application process more stringent when it comes to Zambrano. Zambrano so oma inyama ekomu ye and yes I am farmer you need to explain certain things. Ubetimi our British child I want in the 80 your application na you say oh ba no the busu afofoforo e wo krom ha o say me auntie wa ha ne wo fa se wa ne brother in law ne omunya wo krom ha say the reason why they are asking you is a meaning says a chrome has here. There are so many people who can look after the child, and for that reason, you know, your ZAMBRANO application, but then you are rejected with you, but obedient, dear man. This is some of the reasons. Into the ZAMBRANO application, and it's very good. Now, maybe so. The reason why it will be advisable, say, so who qualify for it, and you take advantage, you know, free.
Free.
Home office fee. NHS fees.
Yes.
You refuse our right of appeal, Pepe. Into no, I don't think I win the only ZAMBRANO application.
ZAMBRANO, your man benefit to Kawana.
ZAMBRANO no your more indefinite, your more benefit.
Your more,
but your more 5 years now, your more benefits. You don't qualify for.
And you say 5 years the over 20 to naba.
And no say you know so no on a different case. No meaning say omo de call say EU for na your more benefits. Your more benefits. And my home office for appeal, court of appeal decision about say their home office for canon. The Amuji and to John Moore, we knew
one day, yeah, more benefit and
because ZAMBRANO comes under the appendix E, you know. Into sub benefits, you know, comes there. But and then basically concentrate you benefits.
Yeah, benefit if one of the other young you
hear me say, oh, yes, ZAMBRANO application, that this is what is happening. Advice, you know, we can say, oh, lawyer, into this year, see, home office for Encotra or Mumrano. For fraud, not almost reconsider on position, not almost what should I do? Then I mean application and that's what I mean. Me answer and say so we bet me yet because
yes we bet me a lawyer obia
omo year last year no omo certificate of application because that is very important. Your year application now in Crofobia brain. Now, if the home office for were not calling them some they were not being invited to take their biometrics. So one born son so a my certificate of application. So what happened? A more almost 2.5 years dada. And send out what application for ZAMBRANO. So we share Court of Appeal, we High Court judgment last year now. They explained in the judgments clearly said so over 2.5 years. Now so ZAMBRANO now on this particular occasion, possible so those two applications our system are affected the other one.
Oh, good.
Some lawyers did not go and read the judgment. It's almost like say, oh, so who now call application
and know your pocket lawyers now.
They did not read the actual judgment because normally, you know, so we have two applications. I won't say no correct, but on this particular judgment, you know, because it was said in the judgment. So there were two people who were doing two applications at the same time. However, say they okay, you know, so okay, 2.5 years application and so 2,560. Utia home office fees,
yes,
£1,052, 20 pence. Okay, you don't want to do that, especially when you know, say, was ZAMBRANO application dada. So at that time, it was very important. Say, ubenya certificate of application, and yes, I will do it. So people were in that dilemma. Obviously, the Nkrofo we handled with the application. We knew ways and means that you handle more on Juma Embo. So it is very, very, very important. Says ZAMBRANO Asema you should do it, but make sure say whoever is doing it for you, knows the rules inside out. And yes, sir, before you know it's not Pamu because because different certificate of application amount. It is very good. Those who qualify me pacho bomoding go and seek legal advice and send out the application out to so that you will know what to do at every stage of the process. The person will take you through till the end. In the meantime, train say if you can say for the new guidance and answer new rules the way umber drafting and the baby out now amount for say black and white, this is what they've put there, what is what you are doing. But remember, so they will be ahead of you because by that time no many certificates of application are almost expecting decision straight away.
Lawyers they will be ahead of you into a application woman or dear entem. Lawyer akamiati asese akesa na case no wawini Accra House of Folk wawini, Liverpool wawini, omo de Manchester to from say tem enti wo really case no eno nti no say wo mo twen home office say home office do mo guidelines beba wo ba be yes application na you need this how many years I will be this I will be enti wo tie me na bia wo nte ho hwe me pa cho friend lawyer sambre ya friend lawyer dan ne komanya application no emawo matwodi sa wo ba no ekura British passport from birth na akura na ekura passport no for 5 years lawyer say any no qualify for what
Mpacho repeat the question no
say akura no ekura British passport from birth na say akura no ekura from birth sa no wanya 5 years
nipa de benya indefinite
what wedi
yes indefinitely
indefinite leave to remain
yes
say obano ekura passport no for 5 years wo ukura indefinite leave to remain the following year you are become a British
there be say be illegal not only good character so 10 years who was all man British in term
10 years and nti inse say we be 2.5 years no kan ho bra e bi afa na wa sha ase 2.5 years no afa na wo ya application no akwaje wo 10 years no wo betimi akoyusu zambrano instead of 10 years no ye be ma 5 years lawyer can also zambrano when you benefit will be free was sister zambrano no enra matese si good news aba na zambrano no ye ma benefit munyai benefit asem ne nto ho kone kwaje 5 years na ye adwuma den koye adwuma ne kura betimi ay part time na wo mo support bi e wo so 2.5 hours and I betimi akoy 16 hours men tra dem so aban na emra meto aduane ne ema wo mani me pa chaw kone kwaje wo die wo gi wia benefit ne wo ho de ma 5 years forget about benefit nemi a woni 2% wo 10 years no 2.5 years ne beso no benefit na waje ego na di kutua na di kwa kutua ka da be na be 10 years obi a wo kura British passport enioma wo kura passport we ya ana wo kura indefinite you will gain it ana wo betumi aye no 2.5 years nyesa ade a mutimi ni British passport for ni indefinite for ya ne se munyina moje benefit pe but if it come to say yemfa ye passport nto wo yentu kwan ekonomi hakura no ansa na wo pe bibi e de be ma no kura 2.5 years ayemfa ma 2.5 years wo kotodan ni amfa in future amfa ma we 2.5 years o ko di bosia bi adi wahu shop bi pese o koto o pese o ye bibi na ya amfa ma empo yes e free car o ko free car kra car keke 2.5 years no company bi wo mo fa ma enti ade a passport we ana indefinite ni be ye no you can't obo wa was so 2.5 years me ni wo nyina ye pe wo boa sa ayiwe say mokoka o Ghana na ye ka se 2.5 years ni gina ho obi okura British passport gina ho na Ghana praying to a omo beba be fa omo kura sa ade we oya meboa
no kura
wa wo kura 2.5 years e beja o Ghana e be ka cho se na na kufu adoba na ntu onfa wo
also 2 out
the same thing Europe unkura European passport na wo kura mu omo short no sa okuye Europe ni na wo kurumi ha na memfa ne se akon asikuromi ha ana bibia asikuromi ha na wo memfa Italy ena minim so mukura 5 years sojourno obi a wokura Italian passport no ye beba be fa wo no eja wa wokura 5 years meboa
correct
enti no yenya benefit ne nto nchen na ye nkonkoje eye 5 years kone koje zambrano mo wini spread the news contact eye lawyer Dan telephone number at the screen so contact no ne kokoji bi for 2.5 years ne to ho e bia obi be kasa lawyer 2.5 years no makọ twice into akame 3 say nipa akatu ho say nipa no betimi ade ababa ye zambrano
oh yes ade na won be ye zambrano say wakọ twice na account 2 and so na when you indefinite leave to remain na so we ban the 5 years straight away you get your indefinite.
Oh, good.
One application. Let's assume we say ABA ambassador will ban 10 years now we need a British passport, and for that reason until qualify for indefinite into 5 years crowd. What that means is say and you say your lawyer fee twice. And yes, we application twice.
Good.
There's always advantage. Meanwhile, no, now 5 years, and about one quarter more. And yet, you see, the application process, and yes, you can time no so almost like bank statement, pay slip, tenancy agreement. When you wait, now the application, a problem. And even especially, and Bemana, Abia, and you're or bad in a etina. If you do want to crown for Bani, see Abia, Sika de Macolana, extra documents about Bejino, on farm out 2.5 years. Intino for them, the crown is very, very important. Say, on Beji ZAMBRANO, so that they don't have to go back every 2.5 years, say, oh, for documents, we mammy, for papers, we mammy, because we won't crack for 5 years for that period. It is very, very, very important. And now, at the end of the 5 years, so year application for indefinite. This time around, you just show say you've been resident for 5 years, and now first now some documents be brave, and they are back for indefinite leave to remain. And now the good thing is say Udnya ZAMBRANO 5 years. Now Babeji indefinite, only English test.
Hey,
only English test. Only life in UK test.
And you were what now? Why then? Oh, what lawyer? Minimum beer because of English testing and life in the UK test. No, indefinite 20 minutes.
No,
class repeating 5 years.
Ontiminya, it's Debiana Okoji to have First World War, Second World War. Debiana Oko because only
some First World War, Second World.
Say anytime Babekobiano, what people don't realize they say anytime we do our application, you know, or we will say a lawyer. Now say me did last year we did 2.5 years. Now they say me 2 years because they will consider your application. Say when your application that. Don't assume, say, anytime my last year, mommy 2.5 years, into this year, me call the best mommy. Yes, me refuse you.
Me refuse you.
In America, it say First World War, Second World, because each time that you have to put your documents together and present to Home Office, you are going to be assessed as if say you are coming for the first time. Let's assume, say, you're about 2.5 years because a British child, I will share. For the past 2.5 years. Now this time we call na ABA adebechi now do application na come out lawyer only obana kun obana see me 5 documents in the mount only see the mount you farm you may refuse you and for that reason you have to go through the court process. AB company say call family court they call child arraignment into any time we be our application be no e won na we call because you are going to be assessed, back for the first time. So if you can avoid that, now be just ZAMBRANO 5 years now, Mr. Make sure yourself we take this opportunity now.
Lawyer, we are paying me for.
How?
Lawyer, can I check my dream, baby? So, Mama, men cannot casakwa ewa hasing. Ebi a wobekura British passport. TMA. Nyame ya adoma ye mene lawyer ya beba be cancel bia for mo e revoke or mo enkrate from onsem no e bia wo be kura British passport tie me say akra ne kura British passport from birth enye wo mo be nya 10 years asem na meka omo they don't have problem e bia wo ba me fa ne say me ma wi na me ba no ma je British passport amano enti akra ne kura British passport from birth na me fa ne say muntie mi o enye mi kunu na menene wo ye mene me mpena bi na wo na obi kunu kura na obi na menene na wo akora no mi ni nkrata enti papa na menene wo ye no ono na wo so oje British passport ma akora no lawyer what them person Jonas say papa no we indefinite ansa na ye wo akora na obetimi age British passport bia papa na so no wo ne British passport dada enti akora no obeje British passport ama akora no obia obana wo British no ye nyanye passport man no or ye British die but onkura passport a wonka ho meboa
say or ye British die
ye nye passport man
ye passport
man no betimi akwa application to
it depends
ZAMBRANO
it depends if ne papa ne the documents be kan ho ama
or the be kan ho die de be ma okay
yes
enye ho na meka bia akora ne kura passport no ye nyina ye ni mu say enkura passport no emfie num ni eso a ewu entie bia papa na e ma asem na mekan yo papa na ukunu no ai wo mpena no enye ukunu de one nete ti wo no hwehwe na abehu no wo mpena na ana wo bekunu na wone ne wo ye na enam ono ne so ono na atworo ni din wa akra ne birth certificate so akofa form age British passport ama akra no enfie num foforo so a papa no woni nkrata wo anaye bia wa ya ama wo de akoji 2.5 years so de beje zambrano ba wo de ko 2.5 years enfie num ne so a akra ne book no ewu enti e wosa akọ o boyfriend ne ho na papa no ebeji book foforo ede ma akra no bia na papa no wayera bia akra ne book ni wuye no sa tam ko renew so wo de papa no woni ho bi kura na 5 years ne be so na wo ko renew akra ne passport no British passport for do etimi efre we interview mutimi busa nioma bi ada wo bi do de ba ye so won show say wo sa akra ne papa na ampa me ne lawyer pick kura ne be ready say no wa ye refuse again wo kwaje akra ne book no for second time omo say onfa papa no pictures from birth ye wo akra no pictures ana papa no hospital requirement ombusa ye bebre acha say atija enti bia utira anye ya na wo kori ni akra ne book no kura na apeja bia na papa ne kura na so wo kura me nkoji book ne ma akra ne biom bia wo hu no enya afei na wo hu na wa fa akra ne book na nka wo nuoma ne ho anka 2.5 ne be ye basa enti sa bre ya yaji book na ma wo ba no sister me no kasa bebuo mu kone koye zambrano de be ma wo fie num passport ni be wuo no na fie num ne nso awu ti papa no hu ne papa ne so onya ma akora ne biom papa ne sese kura na wo you are free to go me ne makasa wo kasa bebuo na mo nti ase mo amoma no mon konkoye zambrano enti nipa ne kura duru ho na akora ne papa ne chichi ne ngu so a lawyer yen free zambrano so na eze ni eyi na ye ka update ni ye ka bibi say me refi
USS refusal no eno ewa ana yemremu
yema update na USS refusal no ye betimi dia time mo e beba behwem a mehwemu a ye beka no ne following eyi no ene omo a moma ekura 2.5 years on papa ayira no ye gigi nkofo nkrata no esunsun sanso what ase ne ha lawyer yenko update na
if you can say move for announce we change of immigration rules Oma announce sa social care workers we no
okay me patron nurses no momra montwemra say no ye ne was sponsor yes sponsor so ma ayo monkofo awie Ghana fo monya ade Ghana fo kra yes sponsor sa fo mo kro mu nunu fo exams ya be Canada do bi ankoye ma Congo Zimbabwe whatever ba wa wo betimi ayo application wa wo betimi akopa wo sponsor eno na lawyer eba be ka ho asem no chiremu e de akyerew enye se bi a chenchena abona campaign wo so akopa sponsor bro ba bi a wo bia wa wo betimi apa wo sponsor lawyer e chiremu ntimpacho muntie
from 15th of February 2022 since your care workers and so betimi aye application
good
24th of December 2021 in a home office for a year announcement say omode care workers ebe ka ho before omode care workers ebe ka ho no na answer na obe sponsor nkrofo so omombra no they have to be skilled workers into normally no nurses so koye English test koye B1 IELTS nkrofo were struggling now no ukra certificates nursing crampa will be qualified for care workers but let me repeat this because there are a lot of calls which are not significant for us. I'm not making this video and I said this discussion say we a care worker friend for 12 solicitors Mr. Ben friend because Ofra I cannot help you. I want to make this clear. I'm only giving you the information out there, especially more organizations, companies, afa care workers, license to get the care workers. We can help you to get the license. Say them with me, I care workers. I'm not saying say care workers won't frame me, Mr. Ben frame me. Oh, frame me after program now say, oh, me next me catecall, Mr. Me pacho. Ben frame me because me need any care workers are. Meeting me every
care home and sponsor.
Yes, sponsors at this very moment. However, who are care home, who you draw care home, more shorty staff, mu here license so that you can go and bring people. Who bet me after the program as a care home owner, as a care worker, I will say a G license, Emma business. We can do that for you. I don't see that you're encouraging Musamu license. No, we are encouraging you say CCR the care workers aka shortage scheme. No, what the Home Office is saying is that it is for only 12 months.
Only 12 months
at the moment. No, for only 12 months. 12 months from 15th February to 14th February 2023.
Okay. February to February.
This is the time that they are looking to recruit those people. And year for 12 solicitors in a year free or month. The Ben frame is the lawyer. Yeah, very way because and last 2 weeks in our course we 200 and we are saying say we don't have any care home that they are taking people back. Care home owners that is an update for care workers. If you
care workers no lawyer wo kasa no na me percent ka wo kire mu kakra because obi wo a onim kwan obefa so a owo Ghana we no wakasa mo homes Ghana for more companies wo krom ha omo homes omo care home for no omo na say no wakasa mo say omo license omo MP license sponsorship certificate omo betimi de fa enkofo ede omo ba obi tie ye ono no so no oye next oye carer ewo Ghana obi wo a okura certificate nurse mo na mo ye carers no obi wo okura diploma or degree no na lawyers mo okura diploma or degree no kan be exams be friend no IELTS na emomo no wo ye proper degree nurse ene ho diploma nurse na still no betimi aba be ye as a carer ewa ha lawyer ye ni bi me na ye wo enkofo no mo bi no mafom ni pa wie
yes
se wo bi pese wo no apply a dien ne wo so wonya e bia e wo so konya sponsor no oye hwan a
okay so we share
so we chiro mu na omo ma me how omo ankasa betimi akọ UK shortage occupational shortage list akọ search for more adwuma omo ankasa betimi akọ job center plus UK akọ search for care ewo ho enti no me pese we chiro mu say bia o pese o apply you need a sponsor and say
Oko Job Center Plus website for the adverts we bring eto so Oko baby to say Indeed Oko baby to say CV Library. These are places are the job adverts eto. However, so we call government website, UK government websites now. There's a register of license holders. Ube who omo sponsorship license ni nyadi e wo hoko afoto solicitors wo ba yen sponsor nurses, yen sponsor lawyers. Intino say uko ho no mu na say o pese o care company bi a oye care home a open crofo. You see the list there. You can approach those companies say omo pen crofo. That will be the appropriate way a obeko. By the time I obe frame no the first question I may be and say, oh, job offer that now. So, oh, job offer that there, then I can help you. Who need job offer there? Meaning, wow. This is how our mom care workers now person will take advantage. You know, we would expect to say, mobile, more care homes, more care companies, more approach your more direct, more job offers in the area. Then you contact us, then we can help you with the visa application process. And let I say, dear Miss Remo. Me need any sponsor on my books or care workers. So I offer for 12 solicitors. Who send me WhatsApp? Who frame me? Mintini wow at this stage. Me no AC. Hopefully no. Munim the SM we then. Moye. Omo betting abano. Omo take advantage. From 15th February to 14th of February 2023.
Okay, me that's a lawyer bra you for wo mo aye refuse wo mo no ho no emu efama me as a lawyer check checking ne nneoma no we okay okay any ekoswe na
USS family permit family permit you a family permit and only equivalent of EU for more entry clearance entry clearance into so kwakofa oba efifie aba okwakofa wo yire ana wukunu efifie aba okwakofa o maame anasa o papa anasa o grandchild efifie aba na ye EU national application a wo beye no eye EUSS family permit na besrew beye for the past 4 weeks before Christmas after Christmas refusals are ye hunu left right center
edosun
obia ye refuse obia silly reasons stupid reasons utim say bibia no mu refuse. Let me give you a typical example of this refusal. Okay. Also, you have stated that the family relationship of the EU citizen sponsor is yourself, is dependent step child of 21 years and over. As evidence of relationship, you have provided a birth certificate issued in Ghana and a Ghanaian marriage certificate. However, this office would expect to see a handwritten birth certificate along with the biometric birth certificate. It's a refuse in the panel. I don't refuse in the panel. Say, ye catch and say, so person kofa obi efifie eba fa original birth certificate na ehun atitititi no ehun aye na ye de ensa atro ewo so na ye wo akola foforo na no ye de ma no eno pe na fire application men ko ye awoda krata foforo fa enka we
certificate for
all this all it no omo say since yankofo mfa awoda krata foforo enko omo the original one na eko na nipa we no or hear the right thing so to me say but I don't we refuse almost oh so what the original one asanfa biometric certificate na then eka ho answer the wire application well at that time no nipa ni nim into one fan ho you refusing. What am I saying? What I'm saying is say if you are getting this type of refusal it shouldn't happen. You should appeal straight away. You should appeal. The appeal process and also no there were 2 ways I appeal. Your paper appeal, which normally takes 4 to 5 months. That way your decision. In your oral appeal, which can take up to 12 months. And so that way your decision. It take it 1 year. When you've received a decision as straightforward as this, the best routes are the fast to get a decision for you. Decisions are a year flimsy refusal, such as this example I made on Mr. Ebabe International Eufie and Jane say, oh, you're refusing it. That's the end of the story. We can do something about it, but the advice is make sure you go and seek legal advice, and then we will take you through the right place. The reason why America say I mean at this very moment, they say these refusals are coming. Many people don't know what to do with it. Make sure say no let me give you a second one. You refuse here. This time, not the pedicle fact in the year and the aba. I didn't refuse. Almost say marriage certificate, no signature, not a wason. Almost check here, no, and then a passport certificate, any signature, not a war application form. No, so they don't see say a no so and only refuse. This is another flimsy refusal that shouldn't be happening because you say. Who signature most of the time na enyepe minim abna say they be out see signature na pass sometimes na pressure be just imagine say oh worry na incrofo ejina wechi twen na ma word na wie na o reception they say sade na content digidi na wa sign na ukọ na ebia ene o signature na sisi o sign passport ni different for this one they have refused that person. Look, if you've seen any of these refusals, these flimsy refusals now air ban. Don't let it stay. Say, oh, and no, it is happening. It's but more than Miss you use opportunity where the advising for say. So we are EU national. Now, so open say we hear application for EUSS family permit now. Refusals in air by left, right, center. Don't sit home and do it anyhow. Because some of the refusals now air ban. One this reason for the refusal. About 2-3 lines where in a refusing the panel. You bet me I appeal ama kama. You bet me I appeal and cover problems with asem in America because a bit more honoma. Nirena original obuane ye application because it's on embassy na monko court but no and I own delay emanent back court until you need to know how you approach the appeal process until this refusal which is coming. The only advice is make sure you seek legal advice and something can be done about the refusals and we are more than happy to see Buamo to deal with those refusals.
Meda lawyer ase meda wo bibiara enso so ase what kan ye ho bia no meda wase me pacho share video no akoso na share ne like video no obia enko press like no obia ko like video no na share ye wo green button bi enso wo ho e support lawyer won support me program me pacho support it click the green button no busumi bia photo for mama me £3 okay. Click green button click ni say now da phone so ani ni ho elo ya phone ye fe
eni ho
eni ni e wo click we ya eni £3 eni adai me pa cha wo hwe me bia betimi a click green button na e wo ho no ase eye badge bi no eye green no o click button na bosumi bia support eye abonus campaign dwumedie no I think say £3 or so yeah o click ya na wa support ye wate ye boa nkofo ye charitable organization akwantuo mu nsam say obi awuda baby Ghana ni bi yare Ghana ni bi abekrum hana ne ho akere no emwa mu is it 2 weeks ago as ZAMBRANO bi tested me say ohia 100 million ewo Ghana. Na lawyer obi abeye mazabi 2019. Ewraba bi dinka teste me inbox me say wawo na okofa akura bi asabi akura na fu be akura new baby akura na fu bi akura na yare na fu adoa ene yi nanim achepa 2019 as 2018 2019 mo na mbusa lady so pese sa atam no so pe 20 million hwa na mejina so disika koma lady ni be 3 days na boy bi so inbox me boy ni inbox me no so disu de ne number nyina me friend no get ne so me friend ne kasa get no me friend na akora bi su wode ne bani photo nyina bre me am de 20 million koma no boy bi nso so frɛ ya na boy ne santi me yire me ma me yire me ba me yire awofofro ye nya adwuma na akora ne yare hwan na me se na ode akora ne photo
the same photo
na so de na gena fo mo se mo ye the same akora ne photo akora na nafu akora na tade ehye no everything na me ka kire guy ne se me pese me ma akɔgi sika no wo baby me first sika ne emro sister se me hu se na sata me ye wave for advert me hu so ye wave na se ne obetimi dia fa wave ne so ama me wa ya na me nko no bi na me se ko ne ye nchew me suma me achew me yakochew na me se he e wa na me frɛ girl na odin kan de foto no me gay ya block me frɛ gay wa block me 2 weeks ago me wa na obi so so asend me message say ohia 100 million
10,000 Ghana cedi.
Na me nti ase ye na me ni ose ne ho kire no ne message odi aba nice guy ni woni profile ne e wo me WhatsApp very nice guy enti me nya amre na me testing ne so won frɛ me ono kwa de nya me na me testing no o keep on frɛ me pressure. Now, auntie, what kind me test now? Me de brother me say dear test. Any me your high say see anu ako kan. What kind now say ni sister ye nurse, ni sister here sika. So wo so wutie me busa question one fi me. Enu nti na me mu a wo no frɛ me ye wi a. Ni sister ye nurse. Baby a wo mo beda wo mo dan ka hwan ka. Ni nyina ye 100 million. Na me kɔhwɛ ye na me testing so won frɛ me. Me akwa na me frɛ no. And I'm say, what's this dear 10,000 1 eche say. Or say I would you nya kra na benye 60 million na bremia. Me pese me coach ye me sister ne school fees. E ma ne koye nurse no. Na e dan ya me ne me sister no be bia ye benya de eti ato me ne me sister. And I'm say na no sister mo ma me ne mo papa we na boy yakate me. And I'm a friend no. And I'm say na what's me 100 million. Who coach ye sister school fees na what chia hwan. Monye very careful. Enkofo aye yaza. Eyasa mama yentimi mwa genuinely people Obia ohia moapa no. We can't help them. Because no sister, mama, me no papa wa here. Boy no wakate. Why me? I've heard there was my friend I want Fabio no mama testing me say what dear if you can get 60 million I will take it like that I'll manage it. So what you say charitable Juma Bebre enti mesremo wo ene no first time baby a wo bia wo EU country wo continent wo UK baby a wo bia no click green button no ne support dwumadi ayedie no free legal immigration me program bia me de bremu bia no button no wo ho because adwuma no ye boa ye community no what you say enti VG said don't mind him, they are scammers. Oh, yes, I new people. I was see a boa woman, yintimi and support woman. 100 million, sika, but sika biasa, meeting me a boa. Ye me better cry because any Jessica family me support to uniana. Or quaya nurse, ya baba be won't for panel or qualibunti, ye be benefit. Meeting me a general resisika, but beer. What do I say? Etienne for me beautiful lies, no dear tomb over to me a friend lawyer Sabria. Sabre ya obeti me a friend lawyer baby I will be no number near 00447502427999 all the numbers no was so Richard VG me pacha obeti me aboa me ama me miss wa kwa adwuma pel mo so wa wonim numbers ni bia beti me dia to so monko YouTube na mo fa number ne to so Twitter ya bonus campaign outreach mo fa numbers no ento to so mame any question emfa ene dwumadie ne ho kra na me pacha obeti me abusa emfa ene topic no crowd bit me. Ofra me modi. Hello, good morning, me dofo pa me pacho meet you. Oh, akate. Wo betimi afre e wo WhatsApp so ye befa na ye ne wo atwetwe enkomo. Gordon was say wow. Sister Bonus campaign, God bless you. You cannot get this information anywhere. You will only get in on a bonus campaign outreach. Nyame enshira opa me da say Maya was it my main course nasa. Hello, good morning, me do for me chia o me pacho yenko.
Good morning. Na me chia o ne lawyer dan.
Me je was so sweet. Yeah, that's it. Amen. Oh, obi afre SU wo ko ni me pacho gina so ma me wate. Hello, me do for me pacho yenko me modi.
Hello, sister now.
Yes, darling.
My ZAMBRANO. Na me no last year na lawyer Peter can who was some last day na ye film na sabre ya o ma some judge abase yeti bimu. Me akata me 2.5 no so be wuju. Me
patro gina so ma me why gina so e ma me. Mesra mo numbers na ye 3 me pa mo chewa ase ba kuna na mo free gina chire.
Hello, Dablan. Me patro me to
me patro to aso.
Me patro me American me say me 2.5 no. And also e be wuju. It is a say no every time copying John me be start lawyer Daniel say be do hono. Na yenya ZAMBRANO ihu nwaya na
Miniaba dia say we ye ne say from now to June say obomode say wonsa ebe document via your friend a certificate of application. So wonsanya ka document near friend a certificate of application.
Hold on for me, please.
You don't need to worry say onkrata na ebe wu June and I say en wu June because that certificate of application will give you the ability to continue working whilst you're train home office for so on the final decision ebeba but June
last year June
and I was saying train
the certificate of application amount before the June but hopefully by June the inside then I can decision but just what to me I say because June is a long time from now. Why?
Okay. Me pacho what was happening in Kasa. Hello, me dof me pacho yenko.
Hello.
Yes, darling, me pacho loyalty you.
Mama pacho, good morning.
Good morning, me dof.
Me pacho me wo kromoha. Me kuta German passport na me auntie I want to say na Ghana.
Patrol so I patrol.
Invite some our baby graduation.
Oh yes, wo auntie na owo Ghana no
Hold on for me,
ubetimi I
please.
invite na manaba. The most important thing is wo auntie no ebetimi the documents are extra say oba or bibi ye ofie a obesa come back to Ghana. If you are able to show those documents, any baby or better near the other, and your problem. Open so friend after the program, also now you're bound with the visitors visa application. Also, we will be more than happy to say be yes, I did now. Why?
Sister me patrol what Yo. Hello, good morning, me do for me patrol yanko.
Hello.
Yes, darling. Good afternoon.
That's what I said. We do family. So, me tomorrow ZAMBRANO me be me acknowledgement certificate. Me say your son say not me lawyer no ordinary message me my message card no for ya na so and it's na me acknowledgement I mean yeah some certificate lawyer to come out to see.
Me patrol the best thing is say Uber contacted a lawyer no now we be sign the status of it because we are already giving them updates. Especially now you starting a issue certificate of application into the message say but more Diana contact a lawyer no na share baby edu so wait me see up why
Hello me patrol what was happening uncle. Me patrol what was happening uncle. Hello.
Patrol me.
Me patrol uncle.
Oh.
Oh, we're ready. Me patrol what's up right uncle. Me do for what was up no.
So now me sister only lawyer you know.
Yeah, Joso. Patrol jina Sonia wa patrol jina so.
Emergency hour. Now me ask the when pa.
Eme.
Patrol na me put
Oh, we go for phrase what's happening. Me
lawyer bet me aboa me. Application mo ana.
Ade application na pesa we ye we kra yi ukrata me boa. Me patron di application na pesa we ye. Oh, we ready. Me what's happening me customer mo me patron di application na pesa we ye. Hello. UK visit visa. Baby a wo no. Me patron he fa na wo. Dubai. Hello. Hello, boss. Me pacho lawyer see we are friend me the lawyer number be send do say see na we are no a friend why? Obetimi aboa ma o visitor's visa. Why? Hello, me pacho wa line so no yen come do for pa.
Hello, darling.
Yes, darling. Good morning.
Pacho, the cancellation is on the line
and
that's it.
But the question around me put a lie and say, my say, married to the situation that Obama Berman 8 million for now, our mom. A quite bad sooner or million bit me assign marriage certificate and if so, million 8 million for now, why you feel now.
Say more worry now. Very important say omube posting documents through DHL and I say any courier of your choice. Na omode abrem wa ha na ma sign mu wi na mo de call back. I know say ya na nkrofo bebre no mo feel say ne boy den for the document to be sent over for them to sign. It no mo be signing amomo, but it is not the best practice say obema obi assigning marriage certificate e dia amount. And no na say signature no ko different na one share na affect your application.
Okay. Gift emails me da so what nya me nhira opa me hu me program so da why ade wa boa me da say. Hello me pacho wa online so no yen come do for pa.
Hello, good morning, sister Blind lawyer.
Good morning, sweetie. Me pacho jina so ma me wan pacho.
menye zambrano na mako 2.5 na wu
me pacho gina so why
na me 7 months ni na menye digia but me try some lawyer no obey zambrano na ka ho now I na do so one you say me qualify you know me too much him say e ba na my day my lawyer for no why zambrano na day amma me but my chenya 7 months na ekoi into no menye she and I made channel but to tell the main woman what me old people no card no and me passport and me ban passport na me dey no let's say me go home office no mucha appointment ni so me send this self no mucha me nim keke me back fingerprint bi but because say we na passport no wo me card no me me abe mu lawyer for no why zambrano no dey tomorrow me na say just me train that people we in bank because me lawyer we no na just obey ubeti mama nitame nkono ho biem ko se ebawia na kama ya batele nyama siko mpese mse me passport no one me old card no make me akolo ya fufro ho ana
mpacho I ubeti me akolo ya fufro ho the most important thing is say you be assess your personal circumstance if you assess your personal circumstance na say you be qualify for zambrano na then of course you wait me aboa amwa application who said me tray mo no time na akisanya case in the bar last year no omo ma ho kwan say you can do 2 applications at the same time into no be okay why
lawyer
me patron I will for be my airport because
me patron I
me program is very ZAMBRANO me o din ma fu ma ko na be mo me tun tun ko ta ka na me da ko ma ya for ready
okay we there Toyota radio be ye enti me patron friend no ya makai wo me patron friend no be ya ma why me mo do their friend no be ya ma why na dia akoma best for asaya wi na de yo hello me da for me patron wa was ne yanko
hello
yes darling sweetie yanko good morning me da for pa
me patron me go help assistant
Patrojina so why
na mpacho be nkrata na wo ha
let's assistant
wo kura nkrata
be na ukra
listen
we are British na say British dey obetimi akoye nursing
visit visit ubetimi aye application for ejuma unya ejuma ni wi ubetimi start application process na ba say okoye biometric no e wo fie
ni so okọ Ghana
yes but
2 years
you are so visit
so when you 2 years I won't grab visa na grab visa
so won grab visa dia pacho wontimi nye wo kofia on be ban for coming back especially for this type of visa application because any human right application intino pacho dia won ka ho mesrew
okay me da say hello good morning me da for pa me pacho yenko me joso
na me pacho na me gusa se me the spouse visa the buy the spouse here British citizen and 2.5 we no a first one we dey real no ya so na me see me gusa say how early na
some of them to
me dey buy ya renew to ticket after ticket 2.5
me advice ya me the man crofo ne say before 3 months answer na nkrata ni be wu no ubetimi abehu ye ni start your preparation but the actual application I dey go home office ni there we submit it within the last 28 days on nkrata ni be wu no why
the last 28 days about that
then the bacho ti dia me kan ye no oba behu ye 3 months answer na nkrata na ewu na ya start amount advice on which documents are the application then we start getting ready we get everything ready the application is actually submitted 28 days and send on krata within 28 days why me da say
hello me da for pa me pacho yenko wa was no yenko
me da so me sir
yes darling sweetie yewa
oh good morning me da se pa nya me share wunyina
pacho na ines ko wa pacho
ma ti ne ko so nyina na ma sim bi san say so bi wa na to nya mfie aduonu na let's be on the aquama ya bonentano e ya na meet check
pacho
20
me pacho do ha onye mfi me ditaba ko onye mfi aduonu odi na ina ko 1 year ba won tv bia o ma fresh o me bonentano be 6 months or 8 months, but still I want to be a conference to the first row.
Mpacho sani pano mebo modern say on the year application man on enkasa. I must use this opportunity to add say a lot of applications are year last year any this year and it came more than 6 months into no and yeah surprising say need no so it take no. However say a check more than 6 months obetimi actual efficacy mo for ebisa dia air course until unya ba no bo modern na dia year application man onko hu na omo chase app man why
okay
me that say support what nyame nhira pa kone ko precious so si anyesa mecho why are they hello me do for me pa cho sweetie enko.
Good morning, Mama.
Yes, darling. Good morning, sweetie. Ojo so.
No question. Be a person because I know 2 years British child here. Now, mene akwala le ni na tinu person mi say the qualified to meet me years ZAMBRANO ni bia na.
In fact, no or British passport na.
Oh,
because one mammy nyana eti. See a catch also kofia on benyo obi manasha akwalano, which is obano.
Basalo ye, so my jai dia, or my jai no muntimu mua. Them are knitting the baby.
Not obano to
obana ni akwalano neti.
And also won't qualify.
Ah, we don't go.
Say, Bemano ne akwalano.
Not just a wow, shakrano.
Wow, share akwalano.
So, parental, no, you know, you would,
yes.
When I did go school, no, Jordan, no, I told you.
And I work on, I said, I work on. That is how there be anti say 2.5 years. MMH must say ZAMBRANO application. The concept behind ZAMBRANO application anti say 2.5 years. Until so what Jane say a application I meet me share them a year 1 year. No application na you refuse.
Brat na 2.5 or na what eh?
Ya bi me nya bi ko.
Na nya uba British na da na won fa ne ye.
I said I don't know me desire say obetima for so.
Yes, obetimi aye. On timi nya ZAMBRANO no ba obetimi dia kra na be ye no anya 2.5 years.
Okay.
What you say?
Obetima ka te kofi on.
Debi me nua be ma de wontie me da.
Matilda.
Me pa cho kufra ye pon ya afra lawyer ne ko ne ho. Unko fie, unko ba bia. Lawyer number the screen is so friend. No betena wo dem wa no wa ye de am.
Now me with that in case somebody put this application ko to say ZAMBRANO na obetima ka te kofi on.
E pa cho debi.
Oh, okay.
Enye obi anka cho se kofi o. Eh bra.
Bra pa cho friend after the program no why? And person me nya about ma na me cheche nyame mu ma why?
No mo friend ya. No
friend ya.
Lawyer dan de wo friend na kwi no wanya no ono ne
wo friend me between 9:30 and 5:30
wo benya no ye wie ya friend why?
Friend me na Nigeria won.
Me da say hello me do fu me pa cho ye nko me nua ba. Me pa cho ye wa ye nko.
Adam Pachon, Mom, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, me Joseph.
Only lawyer makes some, I'm sure be brave.
Me Joseph. Patricia, so I patch
my free waiver application now, it
was a free
last week now. Menya result, but me, the son is a meeting last night, ZAMBRANO need.
Oh yes, with me I ZAMBRANO application.
Good.
Menono my tremo several times say the fact say why 2.5 years, you know. Does not prevent you say obey yet ZAMBRANO application. Until say what we fee waiver application. That's all per se. You free muma so be qualify for ZAMBRANO now. Me pa cho with me a friend after the program. Na ya share I am why.
It does say. Hello, me do for pa me pa cho wa was ne yenko. Legend 1. Pa cho legend yenko. Wa ba ye ko legend me ba cho entie mo
lawyer Dan on the also for 20 was said t-shirt he said they are with
ai wa sha ne de ne wa sha enie aha
me yere e ware na
Interview. I like the way I will put two words and was see a higher efficacy and nest. It's a higher kind of no.
Possible, say, Beman and Kwabetimi are call interview. No. Okay. However, no, say, ultimately the reason why Obano 18 anchor that day, no, ebe maumo. Sometimes, you know, we've had situations whereby because of COVID in Sensemuntino, they have been very flexible in situations whereby Obano and Beman 18 because Aviana Obano isolate and answer wakoka abroche because we oyare na bibisa no omutimi arrange virtual meeting emomo intino the most important thing is mo be engage efficacy mu for no at the earliest opportunity say na cause ebia 2-3 days before the date no mo be engage o mo na ma church mu nyema na ma hwe arrangement o betimi aye amamo if not obema na nkwa enko na onfa the reason and more and then they will interview him and they'll make a decision. Why?
Made that say. Any lawyer until we to send you panel for someone.
You see, if or you're worried about attending the interview, see a bit soon anymore. On a lawyer and casa because say otua if a lawyer na okay obetimi na ko interview no we are able to provide that service open say you do call interview
lawyer interview no say modu omachi no omokwa mokwa kasa bia na modi emote ho
yeah observe it
na mo hwe
yes
eno ne me
confident peace of mind
so when you say ugina ho ne enche no
you say ugina ho ne fa ne nko bibia na man the confidence in so
oh any mo hin ha lawyers na mo for mo nkonti mo ya ne eja na ma sefa
because we no kwayese onu ana ekeka ne my cc
I ma minya wo ne friend lawyer why Matias legend one me pacho yenko me dofo wa woso ne yenko
ma me pacho mia
me pacho ye wa me dofo pa
pacho me chia wo ne lawyer ta na no be any we tie for dina
ya je also
me question here two na pacho first one here say me kita British scholar omwe ebienya more than 5 years omu work British but omu mami 2.5 on a parental route na also now third one where can one the third one and make up apply but so many to they are talking indefinite without doing the English test any else.
Any ZAMBRANO.
Say yeah application under ZAMBRANO. Then here English test. Here life in UK test. But so to also under appendix FM as year previously in dia. Then here English test any life in UK test and sana wire application for indefinite leave to remain. Internet that is the difference. But for us to see say ube qualify for ZAMBRANO no. You know, we discuss what personal circumstance, baby akolani papa wo, and all that. And if we feel say you qualify for it, you better catch your late me why?
Me dase.
And but secondly, no, somewhere last year, me 2.5 years no, a year. I just said medical renewal. That was somewhere June. Now, lawyer no may apply for
fee waiver.
Fee waiver.
Na fee waiver no. Some omo granted fee waiver no, but omo anji NHS subcharge. On when you free so but HN na lawyer no applying for NHS and non so dear no. But omo mami ko me sa somewhere October 22nd. Up to now no maintain omo nka. Eduma no so aka share me say maintenance because in Kata and my papa to work because they don't know when they are going to grant me. Now, but some person say, how long does it take? Say, wouldn't Kata no question one. Now, how long does it take for it to come? Because my bomb is son, my head, your person.
Yo, me pacho lawyer chere wase. Yo, lawyer chere wo mu why me pacho.
First and foremost, I'm very sorry to hear say yapamo efi ejuma mo akotena efi. This is the reason why I always encourage people or tell people our program we used to say so person per lawyer no ye we ejuma ma per lawyer onim ejuma na esuma so that the person will even protect ejuma wo ye. So we hear application now the application to move on time even if a fee waiver now the application to move before or previous visa no EU and I will leave to remain EU automatically no, your leave is extended by section 3C leave. Into we don't have any right to ask you to go and stay home. For us, no see any application in ma when us we for extra. We tell you say let them write to us directly and then we point them to what the law says so that they don't let you to go and stay home. And yes, Anka, all this will look at the money you will lose it from October till now. That's about a year. Secondly, no. At the moment, they say the applications are supposed to take about 6 months. By a lot of applications are taking more than 6 months. Say a do more than 6 months. I'm a pacho
contact home office.
Or lawyer and Casanamon contact home office.
Why? Medase. Hello, good morning. Medofo pa me pacho wa line is call.
Hello, good morning, champions can pay. I'm back here to say.
Nyameda su shira me na ka champion wa support to program no 3
support to champion. I was
the part.
One person busa lost ekuta 5 years, right? And now the mano ekuta British and mommy and some ekuta British. Apply for indefinite no.
Start we no say wo yere. So you are
remember European member of status.
And one in the net.
Yeah, it's our for.
But your Obade Tinakruma, how many years?
Oh, what's my had 10 years? Well, now Kratane there. I cut 2 years now. I cut 2 years.
Into the Onya and Kratano 3 years ago now, Onya and Krata, is that correct?
Yes, please. Yeah.
All right. Please. I say or train another way. No, it's not say 5 years under the rules, and so now I qualify for indefinite. Why?
Okay.
All right. That's it.
Wa send me a message says no. Ya kan Zambrano who has a man and American no. Was say hi Abna. I'm a first time watcher. Could you please explain what this almighty Zambrano is about? Almighty Zambrano lawyer dem am fam course ni. Say kan mo share video no mo bantemo. Hello me do for pa me pacho yenko.
Hello.
Yes, darling, sweetie, uncle.
Yeah, that must be Juma Pamoye.
Yeah, Joseph.
Me pacho, na me be
support
what is na mokam masebo. Se obi okromo ha na se oni emiema. Kwa be no be kimi aka so
akopa adwuma ni bi me boa.
Bi oni emiema a obekimi anya sa adwuma no. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. You see, let me put this support worker issue in perspective. So, who Chrome has said, now say we need and crata. That means it's we illegal. There's no way ubetimi a year application under any of the point-based systems, and I say any of the skilled worker routes. So, any application be no. Ube meet suitability rule no because rules now there was suitability at the time of your application you need to have leave to remain at that time
not just
automatically no one
okay
uko fie so na so ka so kwa akoya those type of applications na ubenya ban yes so kwa akoware you don't have a ban human rights but so kwa application for support worker babaka
bra sweetie me pacha won kan why
but me use away the question also emphasis be so Microphobia or more 2.5 years. 2.5 years because if you're married, okay, but on any unit and on any kunate with fear. It's yes, see a man and say on yeding on fisa and crata no so. Those people no able to me aswitch ako good.
Hello, made off me pacho yanko na lawyer Zambrano Sumami. Yeah, Joe made off of pacho jina Sumami.
Question is my number multiple visa 3 years, but it do September this year September. And my baby mama 6 months abroad so. I say you Mr. Menko na me sure say dia me ba anka ye mama intino na me bisa akonya bi wo so kasa wo kwa okona me ba ebe easy amami ana
me entre because me nim ekwan afa so awura akro ni mu and I mean nim we offer airports now buy it they have records of it. If they find out say Oba the last time wait na crony more than 6 months, definitely ukwa enya dia on be widen a room because we breachy visitors visa rules, you know. Until anytime there be kobia or person Oba with visitors visa no ntimi mba. But say nyame ye wadom na okowari obi a oye British na person will be with spouse visa there ubetimi aba. So it depends on the type of visa our person will call now call Gina or the back. But just what me say.
Okay.
Na wo ko na wo ko Ghana no ka akoye de wo ko gi visa keke na asa dia ba.
Anyway, nanka your friends me nya obi anka aware nka
wanya kunu anka wo ko ware. That's fine.
And your friend after the program.
But na assign me say dia no.
Wanya kunu dia me pacho ko hu lawyer ansa na wako make any move. Why? Ko hu lawyer ansa na wa onu kunu ni nyina na mako. Why?
Okay, yo, Mate.
Hello, me do for me pacho yenko.
Hello.
Yes, darling, sweetie di yenko.
Sister Brown pacho me a.
Me pacho ye wa me do for pa.
Yo, me no pay dia me tia o lawyer pa.
Yeah, Joe.
Ba dia na se e wonu ma pa moye.
Eme.
Sister Brown we dem pacho, be se mi busa lawyer say, ma fa me ba about last year October. Now all ban all the settlement visa and buy. Now visa no the buy no much also say the visa will be 29th December. And one home office sending email say enu se visa ni mu no more than the card ahead abreno. But sister me yen say wo monka email no so no mo say my yen because of bad law so someone why e wo hon they are still trying to do their best.
Me pa chow say we share letter no so a omo the post office address bi ehye so say monko ho na monko gi biometric card no mako ho no I'm so wait here
sister me pa chow lawyer say omo the bar omo the home office the home
post office address ehye so betimi akọ
omo the post office address bi share so say mo betimi akọ post office o mako ho akọje.
This Brian call home office
there be post office lawyer say ya wo mo dey ba obi enkofo free sim. Hello me da for nana yenko. Yes darling. Mejo so nana mejo so.
Ghana for because we have the visa we be blue the visa the next day have you know me do at the first airport our immigration checker.
Yeah, but you
also ube.
The part that is began the drew crew the next day the EU your president family member. The EU and I will draw the next day now maybe something.
But you need problem ubetimi aba.
The president further control they have ya.
But you there be ube okay.
Oh right. Good. Okay. Me that's na bye. Okay. Me sister na what WhatsApp no na lawyer say obi fresh na lawyer say ye the letter na Abraham ya no mo the post office number che so say mo card no mo nko post office nkoje enti contact post office for lady na wa wo ye yi buy say what the buy say Zambrano no mean
any you know who would you? A friend of mine so for be a Kumaya so I mean Tiabina. But send messages here and I'm sending a recorded a note and so. Zambrano, as far as I know, a Spanish name, but who's a way you soon know how it is connected to if I could get any explanation. Make us say, so August, Namanya 20 years or how about when I'm featuring the baby Hantiama, all this while, mean to me, any sent a chimney or hot mammy, so that boy me, that's it.
Lawyer me pacho what did you nua be man no person kire no
be man no me das
na chese wanya 20 years e wa hantini nyame aye na domo qualify for BB.
Yes, August no see or qualify or 5 in a buy me advice me nua say ben train Emma August ember so answer no be who lawyers the best thing is say we start process now because about 20-year application now evidence who nyama na edoso nyame ni bi ho no ma ye kwechi ni akotwetwe pie into the modern be who and starting process and mouth. Say the outcome Zambrano na no cre enye a foreign name a EU case a course so European Court of Justice honum and yenya no ye reflect and as ye use to chrome has a bebre na the same bebre aba amayako court so many times into from time to time no better see a count as an Zambrano but and trade bibia sa say your baby I can who has say Brazil deal say Spanish name but case ne call so Belgium whatever be the case no ni nya be ma bo modern afre na ye hwe wo 20 years and no na say ehia
eno ne ade ehia wo 20 years no me pacho lawyer number Ederson to betimi afre no hello me pacho wa wo so ne ye nko na me fa me dwumade man hello me pacho ye nko me dofo pa aha pacho jina so da wa ho zap
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes darling, good afternoon.
Me pacho that's in the lawyer from Gakra
Pacho
Dr. said sorry from Brandon now. Certificate of application now. How long does it take to come?
Zambrano way certificate of application, you know, until recently we were not even receiving it. Into applications a year, 6 months ago. No, I'm fan sana or master to send the certificate of applications in the AB. And it takes a bit of time. Why?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Hello, me do for me pacho yenko. Me pacho wa ho sap ne yenko ye ti o menti o ho. Ye jo so me do for pa. Emergency hour kan. January to open doors no. Auntie, and when you much amen. And I also call for an sign be was so say will be bonus and money matra no what crickets are sign so when no one to me when we are from me why me does say etie for me da munyina amaso obi say ne ka Zambrano na emergency hour so e de ya emergency hour ye mpaibo kese bia eye ya wada bia ye bo empaibo no na amase say home office for no wo mo antimi anko judge a rule case no e de amamo de awurade na mo mpaibo yi so ye no aburo adwene ne ntiase so obi biara every Thursday bia wo ahankwa na wutie mi a ba bia wo bia krachi wo free Ghana baby a wo bia no wotena baby a wotie wo ma baby a ye wo de tena baby a wotie there is no distance in the spirit wotena wa eboya wada no pattern match at 10:15 now we tune in e wa bonus campaign outreach ye me YouTube because ye bonyom e ye mpaibo gidi minima di a wo hwehwe e bi e yare bi ne da so amane bi eye kunu eye ba e de na wo hwehwe me pa chobra na wo ya wada bia wo ne ani nkomo de meka ho asem lawyer me pa cho wo asem bia pesa wo ka kire tifo na
me da si bebre mu amutie ene se wo any question bi I kan ene no one tias here open further advice am Israel but modern affair Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 our number no so person be in our office so a free consultation. We don't charge a penny to review your case. In the nyamba so be say oh na me nim say there be oba ye beto ye bo ne ani wetina se ne etie wonsem ne ahwe kwan a ye betimi aboa ye ntimi mboa ye be ka cho say ye ntimi mboa enye gidigidi. We don't try and force everything. Thursdays so they call Milton Keynes into Mo sa apatemu ho Luton no Northampton Milton Keynes and Kasam person be hu no and also you free any issue be whether say employment family matter civil litigation or person also some with the statutory declaration what your passport we here affidavit e dey akoje and as immigration is issue and kasa no obetimi be hu all Milton Keynes or and as your landing office no ye dasi bebre say mo join and mo share nyame adoma next week be sen share bye bye.
Nyame ya adoma next week ye besen hia papa ye da lawyer ase mama lawyer sorry me da lawyer ase pa na me kanfo ama wo se afia ye wei mu no nya afia e ya afia wo se wo tena se mesre wo bibiara wo tie me pa wo chew ye mompaye e wa abra ye mre ho e bia ne wo first time a wo de join the Abena Skin Pay program when the love when the enti na wo sre when the brane mompaye ya wada ya wada bia dra ye bompai bokese empai bopa e na ye bono wo ahase nyame ya adomo a next week na yesi eye February mu me pa cho February eye favor month eye awarefo ene mu amopekunu February to be favored eya wada nyame ya adoma Clara Boateng Clara ete say ya wada bia ye bompa ye di apaye fra paye edware apaye esra paye suma paye ema apaye eho kire no ne awurade enam emergency ya waso ye ne bradwene ntiase so make us say what true for some dance ni when ubetimi a free platform ne so video yi so na wakwa akɔhwɛ me platform ne so ubehu emergency hour ewo so empai bokase pa na de awurade ye ne bradwene ntiase so awowade ne nsankyerɛ ne awurade enam mpai bo yi so ye no eya na agime nsem me kura metena se me kasa awurade ho wanwa ne awurade onye bi da no na kyese ebi nsi ena kyese saade no na ebi ni ho ayare to me awurade de ache obi a wo kidney enura kura de ma mo he no eledi bi a wo freye free Italy lady ni freye no video ni da ho was say ne ba onyimo a okọ hospital no mo yes scan a omo se akra no problem e wo ne kidney ba ko enya adwuma en responde enti akra no girl no ebe bo emergency a wampaibo enti through emergency a wan ofre prophet and a prophet ene ne bompaye en wo hira ensuo so ede ma girl no ne se wakọ akọ hospital ho osan kọ yes scan ni biemu no akra ni kidney everything eye pep ye ka se be no operation no ye se enye no se akra ni ye okay enti ono abetimi a wo ne normal ni awurade tumi eye no doctors ntumi ye obi a wanya ne premenopause eno video ne da ho obi a wanya ne menopause since last year or menstruate biom through emergency hour ensuo eni ehira so oh eni ne ekoto nsuo na ma baabi a wo bia awuraba na start menstruate obi a wo blood pressure or diabetes make se me ka yaresa ebra adwene ntiase so enra wo bia wo pay mortgage owo sika otodan okwa ye mfama no through emergency hour enkofo matoto dan enkofo mu nkrata aba enkofo wo manya visa ebra adwene ntiase so omo Ghana a wo mo pay adwuma omo pay visa se dia ba abrochire dia ma wo mo eye won countable me pa wo chew mesrew menim odadwene menim wo haw menim wo amane bi a wo kom Ye free program you see. Obi akọ. Me ba me be kasa share jokes so ani asere. Ye wie yi no. Wonko a wo kotena se na wo de won sa sumwa no. Na wo su. Wona wonim wo hawa wo kom. Wona wonim wa mane ne watete wa wo kom. Okuna frifie. Me pacho ya wada twen yen. E wo emergency yawa. Wo yiri apam frifie. Me pacho bra ne be bompaye. E wo emergency yawa. Adie bibiara eson a ewewo me pacho bra na ye mompaye na wo be hu awurade ani munyam me hu wo bia one awurade akwa apam a nipa no wadi nkunim da me hu bi da obi nkrata akofikesiem 11 solid good years 11 solid good years enra after program no ena obi frɛ ye say prophet say ye ntwro January to open doors ontimi ntwro bi enra after the program no 11 good years nipa ne nkrata wo fikisiem because na won so say wo so ye long stay and won mo akotwitwa fake nioma de gu so enra after the emergency hour no ye di nipa ne nkrata ba de awurade tumi ye no de nipa nyina se enye ye no awurade bamu a eyeye enti wo bibiara waka me ho mesrawo ya wada bi abrane mompaye January ya ye wo mu no emu ohu enipa wo awuo no ebura dwene ntiase so this year enimonyam hyekase wo this year mu ba wo bonefo apagya ni mu vigi wo ko vigi wo so vigi brane mompaye ya wada we vigi mi pese mi hu brana momaye mompaye wate na awurade abasa nya kase awurade bambo nya kase enkwa ne hia wo wonkwa wo wade se wo wonkwa awurade acha wade ne wo pese wo ye bia wo beye obi atena wa bra bo bi so bra ne be bompaye na nipa na waso wo ye die mu no obi a won pese wani munyam beye kase obi a wafa wo din ene wabusua din e de na munsuo so kanche bra ne beje wo ho firi wase wate bra ne mompaye empire de me de dru so amipo enye empire enkaye nyina ye ntiase obonefo hyehye bebre na awurade adwuni ni nyina agu omagire tuo nyina na ye kwa bra wate akora ketua ye nyanwo no me mamo tip off me say for the past 3 weeks as 2 weeks me ba na maka ho ketua bi Great Amon Hospital ewo kromi ha hospital kese pa me say e ka enkura biggest hospital Great Amon one any di kind because na oyo mo search all the superstars ni nyina no donate wo musika even Elton John omo nyina donate wo musika the massa hospital no nkura omo ye specialist in akoma heart disable nkura nkura omo develop yare lady bi obeba beba ne testimony ne ba onyimo akura no ba yesi akura no akoma enye adwuma hospitals aye doctors cancer kese and normal refer ni to Great Ormond Hospital was also no approve ye the all the doctors reports be ba beto to her doctors na prove say akura no e wo problem ye wo akura na ne heart age say bia ye man artificial heart akura no problem e wo na koma na uraben si obi ne share video eya ye kasa wo ba program so a share video me emergency awade wo ba share we kura wo ba no wan share I don't have any problem but empire body wo share na wo bi hu a ebe ji wo bi efri na manem lady no say obi ne share video yi on nam Facebook and wo sempai bo bi gaga oso makoma ebu anajo desio mintumi na around 3 oba menyem me nam Facebook na me ko hu keka ena me tune in video dada waso wo hwede sene empaye koso any testimonies enkofo mana ena wo se awurade a wo platform me so minim se wo begeme ena awuraba no ne ba ne heart no ne bana koma no through emergency awanyankopon doctors say akra no akoma no is developing is changes aba enti baby ana omo maga ne koye scans no omo asesa no changes aba far better than far. When I see a radin to me, akura woni kidney, only be, only kidney kura woni kidney. Doctors say kidney back, only back, only two, only ni kidney back, ensuo jina ni tirim. All the records ne wo ho, ensuo jina kura ni tirim tie wo akura na obeye handicap. Enti e wo so mo flashy yinsen no. Girl ni kunu ebe dwane toa empire bokese. Doctors intimi ni wo doctors omodo omo be o ma famu de ba se urade abasa bamu a hwan ni doctor ada ye koya again no DNC eyi akura na to agu no e na doctors ne san here scan biom akura na ni kidney ye baako oni baako no e na akura ni kidney ye mienu ya wo akura no akura ne tiase wo minimu ha obi a wo kom wasi wo fie wie wo Ghana wote Ghana enso fie no da wo na wote abrochire wo ba abrochire bibia wo de won sabe so mu bia na ye basa enipa di kan e wo abrabom edijaw maame sister bra sorry wate ne bompaye sorry ne bompaye wo won krata British passport yi obi enya British passport a wo tu mirika ada won saka wo British passport a ena obone for de yare to so ye di amane to so waduma sema ye basa ewraba bia wawu a me ba be kan wasema me agigi sika e de akosie no e wo Dawson obotire ena wawu oja akra 8 years as 7 years ada yes ya man council ya man dan permanent accommodation. Me sister bi anu o ka get na sento sister abana get no abro wada store mu kura wada store mu e wa ha Dawson hoda ada ya ma ne dan yes through me enu onya ankrata so minim because nipa mo frame Dawson sister ni sister abana wo enu o frɛ wa o ma ne lawyer e ma ni nya ne nkrata aba ada ya ma ne dan no get no wawu Yamane Daniel wanya nkrata a wo imba be enjoy life one ne ba wo waja akra 8 years ago me pa wo chew sorry bra ne mompaye wate ye kampai ba na obi edwane but empire and the best sustain Bible say ne honam ne moja na enya enipa bia sori etia wa you can't find them obi kura na do ba brochire enso watena wani gie so watena waje wo die wo hwe no wo Ghana wo ofabi wo maame bi wo nua bi ayi trust sika wa bo dwetire enso sika no ahye ehin no ye odekọ ye de no ye wo sua adwuma wa pon wo ho wo hye wo madam bi ase wo hye wo master bi ase wo sua adwuma wo adwuma mo na nnuama koye ba wo pon wo ho no ennuama ye basa he sori nnuama mpaye na nye ne honam ne moja na enya wate medamase nyame ya adomo a ekina akwantuo mu nsem me de eduru mpaibo asam so de a metimi akasa fiti anopa bepema numere because sister enye mpaibo a me abna skin pain may a living testimony me may a great testimony e wo bibi a meka bia ho me a great testimony where me ba brochire na mani eden ene mani de se na ehu mani eden pa me sister de me ba brochire ye kase nipa me sister na me ha adwene etimi opamo me entem na better na me papa mpena papa girlfriend enchen na me ba wo abra me wo ye no minim kunu me menim kunu nyina na free Ghana ba yo menhia me kunu wa ha abra me wo ye no me bana ne ho ofedodo na abana na enye ennei a minim awuradin abra me nyem akohwesam ene nanfo conversia Edie me fie me bochenku bra me fie benum biba obi fie de me ma edie na me menye me tese me ma dwene kura ni me ko story na ma call me Church of England na ma ba na betram baby na ma dwene me ho de ne mpaye me ma me bebo mpaye ama me menyem obi timi hia me no de ne nsa na mafusu sei ma dwene ni baby ya enye nei me menyem ene wo do se betu mafuso me bo wasuma ma baby ya be kwa kotokura wo mpe abra na wo ye ma to me bedi kama ma to me bedi ma bodwa ame nipa aba me ba Christine kama me ba ne wo fe me ba no mitimi de ne hyemechi ankofo chemiska sei akora ne ho fe ye me ba frase se wo kasa me ba frase se wo nante. There was a time na me ne nkofo bi nete ho nkofo bi me ka ho ayeye fo ene ete ho ena me ne me ba ne tempa so ne nkofo ne te me nchen na me kuna pie opie ye a wo ba no obi edo na ano na me ba ne sore ye hey daddy eno ano no me ba na nkasa biom me ba na nkasa biom me wo ye to me bedi me papa ema obi ba Afri Ghana na be to me bedi me nipa ne ko Ghana ode me be pictures ko kire me papa ne me maame mo no me papa efrem yo ka kire me se abana akura we nye wo na wo se nka wo no nye enye wo dia ba manti ase enye ye ne honam ni moja na enya wate enye ye ne honam eni moja na enya ye ni wie matufo mpanyindie enti me ma bodam krikre me wo fa me photo di konsuo so wo be bodam they have tried me hu omo so hu me they know me me hu bebre obu okora mitimi hu na de chia na wafre me hu bebre nyame da bebre adi kire me enti na ya me tena programs na me se mom bompaye maame bi de ne ba ko school ekrom he ya meka ode ne be ko school ne be nin fry akora wo yi atre se ya 2 maame ne de ne ba ko school o wo fie ne efra ne sebra wo ba no kan no see anymore ne ba na ne efra na ade wote wo wo kunu wo yere wo ma entu fu se bibia no no kura nkrata he bra sister sorry ne be bompaye me kan asem wa ho enema beje mo se me living testimony bra ne be bompaye what sister Helena Edujemfi Helena me hu emergency a wa che AC Mary etesay Nana Emma Florence me gidi say rade adom ho ye me invite obi a wa wo YouTube de ye ma emergency a wa eti mesraw obi a emra VG empire de wompe by VG I love you so much and you know VG me to men sa de afro ya wada bia VG bra ne bebu bi wate ne empire eye empire wo fi so wo sika wo wo nkrata VG wo everything by VG wo nyamea ena wo bibia wo bra na me empire mumra me empire asantoa Jennifer asantoa ya wada me invite Elizabeth come Elizabeth me hu program so that Safo Elizabeth come ye empire wate obia mra me empire me de empire de Georgina woka se menkasa mfa de awurade aje ho a mekasa me bebura dwene ne ntiase so mekasa sa ama bebura dwene ntiase so enti mesraw bra ne empire ne empire de enya February to favor February we say wo pekunu bra wo pegere bra na awurade ni monyamonye kese na me kanfo amaw se obi biara fresh snacks snacks oh yeah party wo yeah wedding wo yeah engagement everything me pacho contact wo mo no mo nya wo parties enuane nyina emma eye tap send me pacho download eye tap never send this sika command of wo Ghana e wa abra wo mmerɛ ho commission free wo mpia monten eye free bonto eni gisem kese ne se wo send this sika for the first time omama wo sika ni bi ka ho £5 extra, €5 extra, $10 extra. Say tap for the bia we increase so musica. Every day increasement eba. Etime pacho contact omo Brago catering services and no. Fre Brago na omunya wo parties in yane. A year everything Brago catering services ebeye edi amount. Kumasi market to omonsa fro. Kumakisi market say all Ghana nyane everything yina no me pacho bibia body nkontomire dawa nkontomire everything. Ubenya wo Kumasi marketa e wo pekam. E won kwa na ubenya all Ghana enyane any everything. Eye fresh. Because every Thursday be omu container every Ghana eba etime pacho contact womo eye palito sheto eye Pearl Spring ena oyen eye ne dia etime pacho contact Pearl Spring na wonye all wo sheto ubi bia emfa emmau meda wo bibiara senyame yadomo a echina money me betena se ewo eye akwentio mu nsam echina and some will we are singing some more. I love you all. Madam Munina, Master Mama by Yabekasa, Yamia Dumwa, Echina, Madam say.
Say, Crata de Baby Woo within the few coming weeks. Ube say, is it advantageous for you to switch or not? For a no make us a lawyer and discuss it because it's not something that I can advise on this short video that I'm doing. Significantly, no, so why application in home office data? Maybe about 2.5 years in a bewu and a woo in a why application for renewal until demo data. But you think say when you're so good, so you want to take advantage of it. Think carefully about it and why it's application because second application will automatically withdraw the first one. And send out my advice and say no lawyer and discuss it with personal circumstance before you do it. These are some of the pitfalls that people need to be aware of. In the meantime, we will encourage everybody say so wait in your application before 30th of June but more day na your application. If you call us, we'll be able to assist you. If you are not able to make the application before 30th of June, after 1st of July, it may be possible so wait in a year application. We are waiting say Home Office for better publish guidance for that application to go in, but significantly we know that there is provision for people to still submit such an application after 30th of June, but we are waiting for guidance to be published. Yeah, that's it. So we share a video. Who any question, your number or screen also, but more than afraid, and we'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you.
This bill, Madam Deputy Speaker, introduces the most significant overhaul of our asylum system in over 2 decades. Our bill will bring new comprehensive, firm but fair, a long-term plan which seeks to address the challenge of illegal migration head-on. Illegal migration is facilitated by serious organised criminals exploiting people and profiting from human misery. Illegal migration is counter to our national interest because these criminal gangs and networks are also responsible for other illicit activity, including drugs, firearms, serious violence, and if left unchecked, it is a risk to our country and our national interest. We will have powers to stop illegal entry, break the business model of the evil people smugglers who will face life in prison, and with that we will bring in tough new sentences, maximum life sentences for people smugglers, the facilitators, new rules to stop unscrupulous people posing as children, and also stronger enforcement powers for border force. And importantly, those that have travelled through a safe country should claim asylum in a safe country. This government will seek to rapidly remove those with no legal right to be in the UK. establishing a fast-track appeal process, streamlining the appeal system, making it quicker to remove decisions for failed asylum seekers and dangerous foreign criminals. It is a fundamental change that we will bring in, and we are the ones that want to control illegal migration. We want to take back control of our borders. And what this bill does, this bill will bring in fundamental reform, Madam Deputy Speaker. And with that, I commend this bill to...
Campaign. Medisika Emma Name Busia any adofo. Ewo my granemu edifa eye tap sikamanie. Eso ediebentia eye so easy, reliable, affordable, convenience and is so fast. E company and a wobe fasua. Obe use tap sikamanie. And one say Ubefa was smartphone. Now I download a tap sikamanie. Ewa phone so. And one is a woko. And need some kasiane say. Baby I will be a what me use a tap. Edison Disica. Echo my granemu. Ewa bra won't ya she commission free. Empo abra miti hey. Miti me use a tap. Edison Disica. Ewa abra mimpia bonte. Nemo mukai. Sawo be use a promo code. Ah, it was screen so. Now what ya send Disica. Nema busia. Enya £5 extra. €5 extra. And kawo musika. What did be corner one? And to use promo code no. It was screen so. Tap. Yes, say. Paul Lamantem was saying Eddie Campo. Tap. Abba. Amaye. Ghana for.